so I'm trying out a new mount for my motorcycle helmet. This is the adhesive curved mount, and I put this on my HJC. This is the IS-MAX-BT helmet. It's a modular helmet because it does this. And I got all of these with the camera when I bought it. So this just hooks in right here. There we go. And this is strong, so I don't have to worry about the camera coming off. And I just attach the camera right here, and it will look like this. Alright, so I'm using the GoPro app that is free on the App Store for the iPhone. And this helps me see everything that the GoPro sees, so I can adjust it. This is what the camera will be seeing when I have my bike helmet on. And let's see if I can get a close up here. Looks a little dorky, but it's all good.